Looking for the perfect event venue with a stunning sea view in Phuket? Welcome to Karon Beach Square, or KBS, located kitty corner from the beach volleyball field on Karon Beach. KBS offers both indoor and outdoor spaces, ideal for many kinds of events such as wedding receptions, private dinners, DJ parties, live bands, charity galas, meetings, art exhibitions, and more. The staff can customize to meet your specific requirements. We're also passionate about supporting local talent, so if you're a young artist looking to showcase your work, get in touch. Our expansive 687 square meter space can comfortably host over 200 seated guests or up to 450 for a standing cocktail event. Choose between our right wing with its chic loft style and beach views, or the left wing adorned with unique Asian-inspired decor. By day, enjoy breakfast and lunch at KBS from 6:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., featuring delicious Thai, Indian, and international cuisine. Imagine savoring your meal with the turquoise sea as your backdrop, pure bliss. Downstairs, Mint Bar Restaurant opens daily from 3 p.m. until midnight, offering casual dinners with international cuisines, homemade pizza, and crafted drinks. Whether you're planning a private party at Mint or want to combine both floors for a larger event, we can make it happen. And after your event wraps up, unwind with a drink at Mint while taking in one of Karon Beach's most breathtaking sunsets. See in the video? The sunset here is breathtaking, isn't it?